Well, how many bathrooms have we renovated? We are back with bathroom number 15 at the moment.
15 as a couple. I've got a few more notches on the belt. Older style bathrooms, they're generally really small. The layouts are usually poor. They've got heaps of wasted space.
Everything was so square and boxy, and I wanted to use a lot of the bevel edges from Highgrove's new products that have come in. We absolutely love and adore Highgrove. We've used their products for over 5 years now. Quality is fantastic. One of the things I love is to see all the new trends that are coming through.
Yeah, and I think it's really important as well from a builder's perspective, knowing that it's an easy to install product, they've got great warranties, the quality is top notch. I think that makes a huge difference. Everybody can walk in and go, wow, is that an off-the-shelf item? Yeah, that's just straight off the shelf. That's really, really good.
Yeah, and I have to say the team in store are fantastic.
Never any problems, no headaches, and I think that's really where it counts for me.
Trending in the bathroom space is everything to do with rounded edges at the moment. Anything colour palette wise, people are looking more not to just go typical silver tapware.
From me, I like all the little features now. So it's feature panels on top of the vanity cupboard faces, fluted glass. I think that's the things that make the real difference to the end product.
Yeah, and what's great about Highgrove as well, you can mix and match all your products. That as a styler and a builder point of view is fantastic. If you see the befores to now, it definitely gives you the slick, clean look with a coastal contemporary feel as well.
Yeah, everything works just really, really well. Soft, earthy tones, very balanced room.
The product is fantastic, so highly recommend it.